How to link Payoneer to Upwork. Follow my instructions. If you're freelancing on Upwork, setting up Payoneer is a smart way to receive payments. It's secure, widely used, and works great for freelancers worldwide. Here's how you can link your Payoneer account step by step. First, log in to your Upwork account from a computer or mobile browser. Go to the top right corner, click on your profile picture, and select Settings. Inside Settings, find the section called Get Paid or Payment Methods. Now click Add a Payment Method. From the list of available options, choose Payoneer. If you already have a Payoneer account, select Link Existing Account. A new Payoneer login page will open in a secure window. Enter your Payoneer email and password, then confirm the authorization request. This step connects your Payoneer wallet directly to your Upwork profile. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one right there. Fill out your details, submit your ID verification, and once approved, it will be linked automatically. Make sure the name on your Upwork profile matches the name on your Payoneer account. Once linked, you'll see Payoneer listed under your payment methods. From there, you can set it as your primary withdrawal option. Payments from Upwork usually reach Payoneer within 24 to 48 hours. And that's it. Now your earnings will flow directly from Upwork to Payoneer. Thanks for watching.